Hello everyone and welcome back. So I will be doing a review on the Rael organic petite pads. So let's get started. Alright, so this is what the packaging itself looks like. This is a pack of 14. I'm also sorry the letters and words are backwards. It came with another pack of 14, but I'm down to my last 3 or 4. So anyway, continuing on. This is what the pad itself looks like. I really like the packaging. It's really like quiet. And it reminds me of the Kotex security ones. But yeah, that's what the packaging looks like. This is what the actual pad looks like. And then I open the wings up a bit so you can see that as well. There's that. All right. Now, how do I feel about these? I'm really liking them. The only thing that I'm having trouble with is the way they absorb. So I have another pad. This is a Always Pure Cotton. Now, like on the back of the pad here, I don't know about you guys, but I can see the blood like at the bottom of the pad. With these ones though, you can't. Like I can't see it. I don't know if it hasn't absorbed all the way through yet or what, but I don't know, I'm kind of worried about that. And I know one of you guys, I've been talking to one of you guys, and I believe you and I are good friends, and that is Janae Bay. Hi girl. I think you said that you find with organic or cotton products that they don't absorb well. And that's okay. I'm finding that out too. I hope it's okay. I kind of like called you out. Not in a bad way, but like I called you out. And I hope that's okay. Anyway, but yeah, I find that these pads don't do that. These ones do though. And I know these are organic, but they do absorb quite well. These are always ones. I don't know. Maybe it's the flex foam in them. I have no idea. No, I'm really curious. Is the foam itself cotton or organic? That's a good question. If you guys know that answer, please let me know. But anyway, other than that, I'm really liking them. They're really soft and comfortable. That's really all I care about is the comfort. If it's soft and comfortable. I would like if like they absorb better, yes. But I'm really glad I got the 28 pack because I'm really liking these. And it came with these 2 little ones, which equals 28 pads. But anyway, but yeah, I usually wear them for tampon backup when my period first starts because it's too late for an actual tampon. So I don't have them on too long. Usually an hour at the most, and then once I see that it's getting heavier, I go, okay, it's time for a tampon, you know. But no, I'm really liking these. I give them about maybe a 6 or 7 out of 10 because you see, if they absorbed better, I probably would give them an 8 or 9. But no, anyway, I'm really liking these. I would like to try other organic pads, but I'm really liking these. I don't know. And these are petite, and they're like, okay, look at the size difference here. Like, look at that. That is so funny though. Look at that. Look at the size difference. But like I did comparison with these, and like these were as big as the size one Always Infinity pads, or the size ones. They're even smaller than bigger than the size ones. And I'm like, okay, but it's supposed to be petite. But I like them. They're like the perfect size pad for me, though. Like the perfect size. Would I try the regulars or the supers? Maybe if my flow was heavier. But again, I don't really need a pad for long periods of time. Like I have these ones too. That I'm trying. Well, I'm not trying to use them up fast, but like I got a big pack of them. I got like a 18 pack of these, and it just. You see, they're very long, which is fine, because I know some girls love, the extra coverage. I love the extra coverage, too. But my flow has changed so much since being on the pill that my flow isn't as heavy at night anymore, which is fine. I'm grateful, don't worry. But it's like, I don't know what flow type I am. I don't know, like, I'm worried if I go down a couple sizes. Like, if I go for a size 3 or a size 2, am I going to leak? I've been wearing these to bed on my second night because on my second night I'm really light. So maybe that's gonna be my new thing. I'm gonna wear these second night of my period instead of overnight pads. But I do want to use these up. So I don't know. I'm thinking about like on my next period, maybe I'll just wear pads all day. I haven't done that in a very long time because I'm more of a tampon person now. But I'm still a team pad. I still like my pads. So especially at nighttime and before I can use a tampon. But yeah, I hope you like this video. I do like these tampons, these pads. I know they come in tampons. I've been asking myself, would I ever try the tampons? I don't know. I know I think they have applicators. That's not my problem. That's not the problem I'm having. It's more like, okay, so with I have the Playtex Clean Comfort Organic tampons. Now I've been liking those as well, but I've noticed those are leaking. Now, if I were to use a regular Tampax, Playtex Sport or even Kotex Click, I've never leaked on those tampons. And they're just regular. I think, again, Janae Bay mentioned to me, I hope it's okay, girl, I'm sorry. You mentioned to me that you think it's to do with the fact that, like, they're organic and not like a regular kind of tampon, which I have to agree with you. I think so. And it's really odd because I've never leaked with a tampon. In fact, it's completely opposite. Like, there's barely nothing on it sometimes, and it's like, okay, this is weird. But anyway, I will do a whole review on those tampons as well eventually. But yeah, I really do like the Always Pure cotton pads, and I also love the Rael petite pads. These ones, because I've tried the size 1, size 2, so have I tried the size 3s? Yes. No. I don't know. No. I think I've tried the size 3s or 4s. I don't know. Anyway, so I give these about a 9. No, I give them a 10. I give them a 10 because I love Always Infinity products. So yeah, I give them about a 9, 10. No, I give them a 10 out of 10. And then I give these no, I'm going to give them a 7. I'm going to give them a 7.5 out of 10. There we go. That's just me. I do like them, though. I'm really liking them. Maybe they haven't absorbed enough because I'm not leaving it in the pad on long enough for it to do that. I don't know. Like, again, I only need it for tampon backup sometimes, or if my flow's too light for a tampon, you know? Like, I don't... Anyway. But it was like the perfect pad for me, you know? It's exactly what I was looking for. Again, like I mentioned earlier, I would like to try some other organic pads. And there's one called Natracare, and I might try that. I have the thought liners that I showed you guys and talked about in another video. But, yeah, I don't know. I've been thinking about that. I'm also thinking about taking you guys on, like, a tour to the store that has, a good variety, in my opinion, of different organic period products. I don't know if you ever heard of any of them, but I will. I kind of want to do a video on that, but we'll see. We will see. They don't have these ones, though, unfortunately. We don't have these ones. I got these off Amazon. But I'm really glad. I may have to purchase them again in the future. I may. And I love it, like, on the top, you open it, you can pull this back, and it feels open, and then the pads are right there. But anyway, again, Rael review, the pad, and then the actual inside. I like the wings, too. Like, they're really small. But, like, if I'm being honest, they don't like sticking to my underwear. But they do. I have a way of doing it. I kind of, like, wrap it all the way around. And I kind of, when the wings meet, I kind of wrap one wing on top of the other wing, if that makes any sense. But anyway, again, I have no concerns or worries about these pads. Again, it's just the whole absorption thing. You know, it absorbing what it's supposed to do. You know, it's supposed to absorb your blood and all that. But anyway, other than that, I have no concerns, no cons about these pads. I'm really liking them. This is a positive video. I think it is. But yeah. So the organic products I've tried, I've only tried 2. The Always Pure Cotton pads and the Rael pads. I have tried the Tampax Pure Cotton. No, I haven't tried no, sorry. Not the Tampax Pure Cotton. No, not the Tampax. Jesus. I've tried the L Organic ones, and I also ended up giving those to my sister-in-law as well because they're exact same tampon as the Tampax Pearl. And, fortunately, can't use those tampons anymore. And so that is why I haven't tried the Tampax Pure Cotton as well, because same kind of tampon. So that's okay. I'm really happy with the tampons I have and the pads I have, so that's all that matters. As long as you're happy and comfortable with what you're using, I think that's all that matters. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, Janae. I hope it's okay I mentioned you a few times in this video. I love talking to you, and you're such a good friend, and thank you for your support with my videos and all that. So, and thank you all as well. So anyway, with that, I will go. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all next time. All right, laters.